Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Trainspots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Tilehurst on the Great Western Main Line. We'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway and cross country. The date today is Friday the 31st of July and the temperature is still 31 degrees and it still feels like 35, and the time is 25 to 3. I think that's all. So this line is the stopper line, where the trains stop, and this line is the IET line, the first line, so that's pretty cool. Down the line towards like Didcot Parkway and Bristol Temple Meads, and over the fence, up the line towards Reading and then London Paddington. So let's see what we'll get. They are insanely fast. We've got another IET on the approach. There we go, I can see the lights, you can't just yet. Here we go. Right then, I've decided because of the heat that I'm going to film part 2 another day. I'll go back to Reading now and then go back to Basingstoke and then go back to Winchfield, actually no, Hook. That's from today. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. And remember to stay alert, and they said there's a train on platform 4. There's a train meant to come through on platform 4 and 1, so I'll catch 4. Oh god. Nope, hold on. Goodness me, I can hear that train. Oh, it's a freight. That's a great way to end a video, so I'll see you, I don't know when the next part will be, but sure they'll be pretty soon. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay alert, or if I already said that, I don't know. Thank you anyway.
Hi, Boom.